Hello, my name is Stephen Darrow. I'm a supplier business manager with RFMW. I'm here with Jim Ahne, Senior Vice President of Marketing with Guerrilla RF. How are you doing today?
Doing fine, Stephen. How about yourself?
Very good. So tell us what Guerrilla RF does in a nutshell.
Okay, so if you're not familiar with Guerrilla RF, we've been around for well over a decade. We're a fabless semiconductor company based in Greensboro, North Carolina. Our main claim to fame is that we develop high-performance RFICs targeted specifically for infrastructure-grade applications. We consider this to be the underserved market. It's one of our go-tos when we discuss this with customers, right? And we try to differentiate ourselves by focusing on going that extra mile for customers, doing extra applications work for them, and even more so with the focus of what we aim for with our RFICs. We're going after, again, the very highest performance. It's not highly integrated. We're not doing things like chips that go into Wi-Fi routers or handsets. We're going after things like wireless base stations, infrastructure for 5G. We're now in aerospace and defense. It's been a major focus for the company for the past 2 years now.
Okay, so let's focus on a specific product family here, or part number. We're going to talk about this part right here, right?
Yes, the 5847.
So let's talk about some of the key specs, what differentiates it from other manufacturers that are in the industry.
Great. So this 5847, this is our third generation of our linear PA family. If you're familiar with the product line, we started out, about 4 years ago now, developing parts that were a quarter-watt linear. So their compression was around 31 dBm or so. Then we came up with a second generation that was about a half-watt linear. And what I mean by that is it actually would develop or deliver a half-watt of linear output power with OFDM signals like typical 5G waveforms, and still maintaining an ACLR better than 45 dBc. So the claim to fame there was that the part could still deliver this output power without needing any ancillary linearization techniques like DPD or CFR. And it's very critical for things like boosters and repeaters, or applications such as drones and tactical radios where you may not have that luxury to employ DPD.
Okay, so tell us about some more markets this can go into. It seems like a very versatile part.
Yeah, the parts, it was originally designed, again, as a follow-on part to our existing family. That previous family were developed specifically for cell boosters and repeaters. And as you might imagine, the mainstay for those type of frequencies were capped at about 4.2 gigahertz. So the family stretched from 600 meg all the way up to, again, 4.2 gig. This particular version was upbanded to target the 4.4 to 5.2 gig band. That, of course, is an N79 band for cellular, but more importantly, it's what we would call like a mid-C band for applications like tactical radios, as well as for drone, for payload, just like the backload, haul rather, if you will, from the drone back to the ground station.
Okay, well that's a very hot market right now, so this seems like a perfect part for a perfect time. Can you buy it today? Is it available?
It is available. It's actually in this one production. Formal production release, we put a PR on that yesterday.
Okay.
We do have 2 customers that are already in production with the device, though.
Great.
They were sort of like beta customers, if you will. And they are ramping very hard, as you might imagine, especially with the drone market and the tactical radio market taking off.
And I think you can actually find it through RFMW. So go to rfmw.com. Again, my name is Stephen Darrow, Supplier Business Manager with Jim Ahne, Senior Vice President of Marketing with Guerrilla RF. Thank you very much, Jim.
Thank you, Steve.